Alright, so we have finished the render. Let's load it in Nuke. I'm gonna press the R button, and go to the the render folder and go click on the test render and open it. I'm gonna select it and press M to merge it on top of the original image. Now I'm getting some weird results. One of the things you can see is trying to stretch out. The reason for that is because this one's format is not correct. It's 720p, and this guy is actually 1080p. So I'm gonna go for a first a reformat and format to actually also 1080p. As you can see, it's matching properly. Another thing is I'm having the background already. I need to pre-mod it. So grab the free format. I'm gonna press tab and tap in pre-mod to pre-multiply the alpha on top of it. If you grab this guy and press one button, you can see now we're cutting out the background. So now the merge should give me what I really need. Okay. Now there's no difference compared to actually the render result here to our result. It's actually a little different. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and maybe mask out the bottom. So grab this pre-mod. I'm gonna create a roto underneath it, and the roto will be rotoing the places I want to reserve. So I'm gonna click and drag to mask this area. Okay, and then this alpha, let me actually drag it off, and I'm going to use this alpha as the mask. As you can see, it's already doing that. Okay, I'm going to hold it down Control and drag it out to create some nice blending. Can do the same thing for others by selecting all these guys and press the E button to blur the mask out. Anyway, not that important. So here, I can drag this guy up just a little bit. I want to find a nice blending point that I can get the best result I can see here. So that should be good. Alright, now this is actually only on frame 27 though. If you go back to frame 1, you can see it's shifted. So I have to animate this too. So let me grab this guy and move it over here. Getting a little low, so drag it up. You can press Q button to disable the visibility of those guys, so you can actually look at it. So 27 is higher. I'm gonna go drag this guy higher. Okay, cool. So a few frames later, I have to do the same thing. And drag it back. See on 27, it's that one is over there, right? I can put it there too. Let's get similar results. Keep going. A few frames later and position it again, like here. It's just a little higher than that. Eventually, back here. In the middle it's shifted, so bring it back again. Alright, let me press Q button and go back and take a look. So basically trying to blend it with the original footage. If I have some nice render and texture, I should see them blending nicely. I can do some color correction to really fake this part using CG instead of the original footage. In later tutorials, we're going to cut out the original image on the back. So all we see here on the top is our CG render. Okay, so as you can see, it's matching nicely. Not quite nicely some of the parts, but it's okay. After we create those other effects, it should actually be lesser visible, even from this distance, right? So, okay. Okay, that's gonna be it for today's camera matching tutorial. Moving on to the next, we're going to go ahead and do some simulation. Okay, see you next time.